So now we can classify the material according to the transparency into three main groups, that is transparent, translucent, and opaque. Transparent, we can define the things as transparent: the materials which allow light to pass through them completely are known as transparent. Materials which do not allow light to pass through them completely, or we can say materials which allow light to pass through them partially are known as translucent material. Next is opaque. Opaque को we can define it as materials which do not allow light to pass through it at all. मतलब completely the light is reflected. Examples are blackboard, your wall. These are the examples of opaque material. Translucent का you have butter paper, then tinted glass. The glasses, there are glasses which have are see-through, but there are some glasses which do not allow you to see through it. Such glasses are known as translucent glasses. And transparent, we have glass, we have air, water. These are all transparent material. Next property of matter which we are going to study is floating and sinking. The materials which are lighter than water generally float over it. The materials which are lighter than water generally float over it. Example, you can see, we can try few things, like I am putting paper, bit of paper. You can see it is floating on water, but we can also try these matchsticks. They are also floating on water. Black pepper, I am having some black pepper. You can see it should float. If it is of good quality, it will sink, but this one is adulterated one, so it is floating on water. And if we take a coin, as it is heavier than water, see what happens. Coin has sinked. Coin is sinking. There are rice, few rice we have the rice which are of good quality have sinked and rest are floating, which are not of good quality. So floating means the things which are lighter than water will float on water, and the things which are heavier than water, they sink into the water. Next property which we are going to study is diffusion. Diffusion. Diffusion is the property of mixing of particles of two materials on their own is called diffusion. जब कोई भी two particles, कोई भी two materials जब एक दूसरे के साथ मिक्स हो जाते हैं, that is called diffusion. The property of mixing of two materials on their own is called diffusion. Let's take an example. I have an incense stick. Now first I will we'll study the structure of solid, liquid and gases. I will recall that structure. In solids, the molecules were tightly packed with each other. In the liquids, they were little bit far away, they were loosely packed, and in gases they were very far away. So on the basis of this, we are going to see the difference in diffusion in some these solid, liquid and gases. So first we are going to see the diffusion of gases into gases. The first type of diffusion which we are going to study is gases into gases. As you know, air is a gas, and along with that I have burnt a incense stick. You can see the fumes are coming out from this incense stick, and they are spreading in the air and mixing into the air, and they are diffusing in the air. We will call it diffusion. You can smell the fumes at the end of this room also. Right now, so you are not able to smell it, but these fumes are mixing in the air very rapidly. Why? Give me the reason. The reason behind why the fumes, they are readily mixing with air, because both of them are gases. Both of them have molecules in both of them are quite loosely packed, and so there is lot of intermolecular space in between them, and they are mixing with each other. Supposingly this is fumes, they are mixing, these molecules of fumes and air are mixing with each other very rapidly without doing any effort. So this is known as diffusion of gases into gases. Now let's take the example of diffusion of liquid into liquid. I have taken two liquids with me. There are two liquids with me. one is water and another is Dettol. You can also take ink instead of it, because I don't have ink, liquid ink, so I am taking Dettol. So observe it carefully. When I put some Dettol in it, slowly and gradually you can see the color of the water has become turbid. Slowly and gradually the water has become turbid as Dettol is mixing in it. You can see the turbidity as the Dettol is mixing in the water, so the water has become turbid. If we put ink instead of it, it will become blue, but it is taking more time as compared to the water. I am not stirring it. It has taken more time as compared to the water to mix liquid into liquid. So diffusion in liquid into liquid is bit slow. It is slow. It is diffusing, but it is slow. The diffusion in liquid into liquid is slow as compared to the gases into gases. Next we are going to watch the diffusion of solid into liquid. What will happen if we put solids into liquid? I am taking some crystals of potassium permanganate in my hand. There are some crystals of, these are the some crystals of potassium permanganate. These are crystals of potassium permanganate. Now I am going to put it in water. Now we are going to see the diffusion of solid into liquid. There is some water. I am taking some water, and these are some of the crystals of potassium permanganate. I am putting these crystals in water. You can see the crystals, the water is becoming pinkish purple. I am not touching the water. I have kept that water for some time. So you can see the solid crystals of water are slowly diffusing, very slowly diffusing into the liquid. So diffusion of solids into water is into liquid is very slow. Very slowly the particles of solid are potassium permanganate are diffusing into the water. So diffusion is very slow when we put solids into liquids. It is diffusing, but the diffusion is very slow. Slowly the water is becoming pinkish purple. But if we check the diffusion of solids into solids, let's take the example of solid into diffusion of solid into solid. Will they diffuse? No. Let's see. I have put black pepper in rice, coin in rice. Are they diffusing? No. So no diffusion in solids into solid. No diffusion is taking place between solid into solid. So let's check once again the diffusion of gases into gases. If we take gases into gases, is very fast. Immediately it was happening because intermolecular space was very they were very far away. The molecules were far away from each other. But in case of liquids into liquids, the diffusion was there, but it was slow. Why? Because the molecular space has reduced. The molecules take time to diffuse with each other. And same when solid into liquid, if we come, it is very slow, because in solid the molecules are tightly packed, and in liquid there are intermolecular spaces, so they are diffusing, but diffusion is slow. As you can see, abhi tak diffusion nahi hua properly. They are diffusing, but diffusion abhi properly nahi hua. Then what about the solid into solid? No diffusion. I have kept that material for some time, but it is as it is. No diffusion is taking place. So diffusion is the property of mixing of particles of two materials on their own. And diffusion is, if question comes that in which material diffusion takes place speedily, is the answer will be gases. Will answer that in gases only the diffusion takes place very rapidly.